This is W1DLO doing a reference test video on this VHF amplifier. It's a Motorola model N1274A. And I've got it up here because it doesn't have a power switch on it there, so I had to have it disconnected for the test with just the radio. And neither does my power supply that I'm using for testing. 100 amp power supply, so I've got it ready to plug in. So I'm going to set this over here. Okay, and so we're going from the radio on low power, so we got low power, and it's going from the radio obviously to the amplifier, and then it's going up to the watt meter, and I've got a 25 watt slug in it, and it's going up to this top dummy load. So that's how it's all hooked up. So starting off here, we're going to key it up, and you're looking at the the top scale. So right there, it is doing 3 to 3.5 watts. 3 to 3.5 watts. So now what I'm going to do is take the 25 watt slug out and put a 100 watt one in. And just to show the difference, now you're looking at the bottom scale. Yeah, so it still looks like about 3 watts. So now what I'm going to do, if I can do this two-handed here, is I'm going to plug the amplifier in. So it goes right here like that. And now it is in, so the amplifier is on. So 3 watts gives us... look at that. So 62 looks like. 60, maybe 63 watts. So 3 in gives you 63 watts out. So this amplifier is pretty hot. Let's take this out and put it back. Put the 25 watt one back in there and put it in reverse and see what it's doing. Making sure there's no reflect. Look at that, barely. Yeah, it is moving slightly, but just barely. So very little reflect. So there's the test on this Motorola VHF amplifier.